Hey there, nature lovers. Ready to explore one of the UK's most stunning landscapes? Let's dive into the beauty of the Peak District, starting with the charming village of Castleton. Picture this: rolling hills, lush valleys, and panoramic views as far as the eye can see. We begin our journey with an aerial view that captures the essence of this breathtaking area. You'll see the quaint stone houses and small shops lining the streets of Castleton, each one telling a story of its own. Next, we venture into Castle Valley. Green hills stretch endlessly, inviting you to hike, explore, and lose yourself in nature. The serene landscape is a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Let's not miss the historical marvels. Peveril Castle, with its medieval ruins perched on a hill, offers a glimpse into the past while giving you a spectacular view over Castleton. For those who crave adventure, Mam Tor is your next stop. Watch as hikers ascend this iconic hill, rewarded with sweeping views that make the climb totally worth it. And then, we delve underground to the mystical Blue John Cavern. Marvel at the unique Blue John stone formations and the cavern's intricate beauty. Speedwell Cavern offers a different kind of thrill. Imagine gliding through an underground cave system on a boat, surrounded by the wonders of nature carved over millennia. Finally, we wind our way through Winnett's Pass. Cars and cyclists navigate the winding roads between steep limestone hills, a true testament to the Peak District's dramatic landscape. As the day ends, a sunset over the Peak District leaves a lasting impression, painting the sky with colors that reflect the area's tranquil beauty. So, pack your bags and set your sights on Castleton and the Peak District. Adventure awaits.